we are moving into the property that I bought. We don't have no furniture. I slept on the floor or on a nice. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I'm smiling, but I am honestly not smiling inside. I am so stressed. There's a lot happening and I'm out here waking up. I just finished my morning meeting. And yeah, it is finally the day that we are moving into the property that I bought. So I am so excited for that, but I'm not excited for everything else because we don't have no furniture. And yeah, but anyways, let me show you guys the packing and you guys will be the first ones to see the apartment without, not the first ones, but yeah, I'll show you the apartment before we move in. And yeah, I'm actually super excited because I think for the first time I'm going into a property that I haven't bought furniture. Like every time when I moved, I've always had furniture, always fully furnished. So this time it's like I'm starting from scratch kind of, and I'm going to actually experience what people say that, you know, I slept on the floor or on a mattress, like on the floor, whatever. But I'm excited. It's going to be a journey. So yes, guys, let me show you. We started packing yesterday. So yeah, let me show you guys how far we've gone. This is the current place we at. You see packing, things everywhere. Bags, okay, this side always has stuff, but packing, washing, drying, everything is just happening. I'm still in my nightie because I just woke up. So I'm basically doing a moving out tour. I haven't done anything in here. I still need to pack all of that. I will miss this place honestly because yeah, but anyways, my bags are here. There's still stuff. It's actually, I think we cleaned out everything. Not everything, but guys, my sister in Christ helped me pack yesterday and I'm so grateful because I don't think I would have been able to do all of this. There's like laundry still taking place in there. He's putting stuff in the car. It's cleared. Laundry. Things are in the dryer. But yeah, guys, so we are moving out. All of this will be cleaned. I will show you guys once it's done. Hey guys. So we've packed 2 loads, basically, one in my car, one in my brother's car. He's still coming out, and we are on our way now to the new place. I'm very excited though, like I'm very excited. I'm also thinking I'm probably gonna be sleeping at other people's places. Okay, no, I'm joking. I will actually just sleep on the floor. Anyways, this is the stuff, guys. It's bad. Oh, so the cool thing is I really don't need my rearview mirror because I was like, oh my word, I'm gonna get in trouble. But I don't need it. You know what? Let me show you. So cool feature about this car is that it's got a camera that actually shows me the rear. So even if they stop me, I can be like, oh dudes, like look at that. But anyways, we are off. I will miss this drive because it's just so beautiful. But hey, so that's my place. That one there, okay, I can't see it anymore, but we've arrived. Basically, this is the place. I just need to turn, go park. My place is that one there, guys. Like, I hope it's not going to be very noisy because it's by the road, but this is not a busy road. So that apartment there, so that one there is mine. So let's go in, guys. I'm very excited. Okay, so we are on the first floor. Guys, I'm going. I've got a nice pack for me with my stuff. I've made it now to the first floor, so I am going to my unit. Guys, this place is so lovely. Okay, so oh wow, hello. Oh, this place turned out so nice. Oh. this place is so lovely. That looks like some sort of a coffee shop or something. But look at this. So this is the nice thing about this place, right? Oh, it is so beautiful. This place, I will be chilling out here, guys. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is actually someone's apartment. It looks like... Okay, no, let me stop talking. So this is me, guys. Look at this. My place. Okay, this is like the stairway. This is the other hallway. You see, this is how they are. You've got like this very like closed off place, which is quite nice because it's like a courtyard. So let's go in. Oh, I basically forgot to show you guys. Look, these are all my keys. I need to find the keys for the main door. I think it's this one. Should be this one. Welcome to my house, guys. My place. It looks so nice. I've got a courtyard as I come in. Guys, this is so beautiful. Like, it turned out so nice. Look at this. Oh, I think that's my inverter, guys. No more load shedding stress. The geyser is so tiny. But let's go in. Let's basically go in. Let's see if it opens. Oh, it's not locked. Is this my place? Is this 129? Guys, this is us. It's my tiny kitchen. Tiny kitchen. I'm very happy though. The living room. And my huge balcony, guys. It's actually the first time I'm able to come out onto here. And this is a guest bedroom, second bedroom, I guess. It's locked. Okay, let's go. This is the main bedroom. This is my bedroom and my balcony. And it's probably locked as well. It's locked. Okay, let's go in the other way. I am quite happy though, guys. This place looks amazing. Oh, we've got like storage here, which is quite nice. So much storage. It's got drawers, more drawers for my shoes. This is the first bathroom, guest bathroom. It's got a toilet holder, toilet paper holder. I'm happy with that. Oh, it's got the shower thing as well. Awesome. And let's go to the first bedroom. It's also got like cabinets. This is the main bedroom. These things are so tiny, honestly. So the cupboard is the same as the one in the other room. And it's got a private bathroom. Okay, my bathroom is bigger. I can actually, there's like more space here. Can you guys see? You can put like a shower. Oh, I've got a handheld shower. It's got a tap. It is amazing, 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 amazing. So yeah, guys, this is my place. And there's my baby there. I can park there and I can see my car. Why was the job mala? Why was the job mala? Na live la. Live. Live. Ngiyadlala.
Lo sisi udlala ngami. Mina ngisebenzi nomuntu phansi.
Awubongo behamba nje ngathi ukhathele.
Hayi bo. Ntombazane. Sibeke ngale tini.
Nguwevile wena phese camera. Asingale nyane nasemnyama. Lolo
Mina ngasibona nodlala nami ngizembona.
Jehovah. Okay guys, so we kind of like almost packed thanks to these ladies. Thank you guys. It's coming along. Order, hopefully it will stay like this. Dresses, shirts, jackets, blazers, bags at the top, boots will go at the bottom, dirty clothes. The bathroom is also shaping up. I've got my towel there, my scale. There's no toilet paper yet. I'm gonna take a bath later, but everything is just coming along. Oh, the lights are on, guys. Lights are on. And oh no. She's packing, so we're gonna put the bedding somewhere here. That's like it's gonna be like my tech gear there. I'm gonna put my other gizmos there, and then some other things there. And I got shoes. They need to be washed, guys. They're so dirty. But anyways, thank you to Magwaza Msibi. But yeah, so sneakers on top. It'll just be flats, like open sandals there. I'll take the boots to the bedroom. My heels, I think I'll move the sandal heels to the top, and then the other ones, the closed ones at the bottom. And then I think that will be like my slippers and stuff. But it's coming along, guys. It is coming along. The kitchen is still a mess, but it's coming along. It's still a mess. Oh, okay, at least the important thing, office desk is set up. So yeah, now we're gonna go back to the office and go work. This is my entry yard place, which I love very much because I can use it for. These are 1 bedrooms. I think there's the kitchen lounge. This is the bedroom, and the bathroom is in there. Oh, they've also got like a. But look at this, guys. This is so nice. When I come into someone's house, you see, this place is so beautiful. Yo, lana khale muleli one longelel. La khale muleli one longelel. Indzaba ngingakaliboni mina leli kasi bathengisa guys lawaya lapha eTulu ke lawaya
Hayi so bese sithala la base siyimalene sima priest.
Ma priest masima priest ngiyohlala elwandle. No lama lona amle ngafuna for lapha ekamereni kimi. Oh my word, this place is so nice. Huh? Yabo kainde kamnanzi njani la ekhaya leli? Namhla sifanele fry lo tshani lo befowl lo beya.
Lapha eminyango.
Yeah, le faux grass. Uphu always to shave ma temples. Enikhulu iyayidlula le yase lona ne? Le yase Beacon Rock. Oh, cause bengisine why bafaka ititoilet kuphela bangafaki lawo ma sunbeds. Nata ititulu mara yena ufake 2, that's a lot. Okunema lights. actually looking for my backpack with my laptop.